Slate Auto, the new EV startup quietly backed by Jeff Bezos, and it's about to shake up the electric truck market. Hidden inside Bezos's rebuild manufacturing project since 2022, Slate gathered a team of hundreds of engineers straight from Ford, GM, Stellantis, even Harley-Davidson. In complete stealth, they built prototypes in Michigan, then slipped into Los Angeles under heavy camouflage. First came the two-seat truck, simple, rugged, ready for real work. Days later, a compact three-door SUV appeared, its boxy silhouette reminding onlookers of classic Range Rovers. Behind the scenes, Bezos' family office led a $111 million Series A round, joined by sports mogul Mark Walter and Hollywood investor Thomas Tull. With deep pockets and no rush for profit, Slate aims to upend every assumption about EV pricing. Their promise: a two-seat electric pickup for just $25,000 before tax credits, half the cost of comparable models. Multiple body styles mean drivers can choose a bare-bones work truck or a sleek urban SUV, all built on the same lean production platform. Production is already locked in a new Indiana plant with 2026. Slate's hiring blitz, dozens of job listings still live, signals an all-hands push to move from prototype to assembly line. Their playbook flips the Tesla model on its head: launch affordable, mass-market vehicles first, then scale up, rather than debuting luxury models at six-figure prices. This move puts legacy automakers on notice. Ford, GM, Rivian, everyone chasing the Rivian R1T and Tesla Cybertruck now faces a startup that undercuts them by thousands of dollars. If Slate delivers on price and quality, the entire industry must rethink margins, supply chains, and marketing. On April 24th in Long Beach, Slate lifts the wraps. Expect a live reveal of that $25,000 sticker price, range and charging stats, and an aggressive timeline. Production rolling out of a new Indiana plant in late 2026.